Hello and welcome to my video. This is a recap of 2 years driving a small size electric car and 1 year solar energy in Germany. So back in October 2023, I leased a small electric car from the brand Dacia. It has a reach of 130 kilometers in the winter and 240 kilometers in the summer. With nearly 10,000 kilometers with this car, I must say that I haven't paid anything for the energy charging costs. The fact that in Germany you will receive extra money if you do not drive petrol-driven cars, that means you can get up to 250 euros per year. The so-called THG Premium, the greenhouse gas reduction quota, is not direct state subsidy from the German government. Instead, the government mandates fuel companies to reduce their CO2 emissions, allowing electric vehicle owners to certify and sell their CO2 savings to those companies via specialized brokers for an annual payment. So let's do the math. So my Dacia Spring Electric does consume 15.6 kilowatt hours for 100 kilometers. So for the 9,950 kilometers of the last 2 years, I have paid around 388.05 euros in total, with an average kilowatt hours cost of 0.25 euros. So the only cost I have on a monthly basis is the leasing cost of 68 euros. The crucial thing to remember is that my charging costs are very low due to the fact that I mostly charge at home. So there are times in which I charge for free due to the fact that I have a 5 kilowatt peak solar energy. It has the highest performance at lunchtime, therefore I can almost charge for free during this period. One of my problems is that the Dacia Spring Electric in the basic version has only a charging speed of 3.8 kilowatt, and that is slow compared to the average of 11 kilowatt. The other problem is also that although I have a complete Huawei ecosystem with inverters, batteries and charging station, during the charging time I still drain energy from the solar battery, instead having the energy first from the grid, in case of the solar energy is not enough for that moment. So currently I have only a solar energy coverage of 38%. This is that low because I have a warm water heating pump which drains 24/7 around 600 to 650 watt. I have separated my house heating with natural gas from the regular warm water system. My next step is to increase my balcony solar power output and try to put those panels to the east and west to cover more power in the early morning and in the late afternoon. I'm also thinking of buying the Anchor power bank system for that. I hope this recap can help you to make your own decision about driving an electric car and having a solar energy at home. And as always, thanks for watching, please subscribe and see you next time. Bye!
Yeah. Welcome to the channel, let's talk real numbers. 2 years electric, 1 year solar Germany style. Check the blueprint.
Hello, welcome to my video, yeah. The new manifesto. This is my recap of 2 years living presto. Driving electric small car, Dacia on the scene. Over 1 year running clean, solar energy machine. October 23, I signed that lease. Small size and dirty in the winter, chill 240 when the summer flies. Almost 10,000 round the clock, check the balance sheet. No cost for the charge, I haven't paid a cent for heat. It's the THG Premium, yeah, the annual loop. Fuel companies pay me for the carbon. Yo, the facts straight and neat. Dacia Spring, she sips 15.6 for 100 feet. 9950 kilometers, the grand total. Reach kill cost at 0.25. Getting pivotal total cost for 2 years, 388.05. Lo me hold. My only monthly pressure is the lease of 68. Pure gold. Why so cheap? Cause I charge at home, that's the key. And now with the sun on my side, some charging's absolutely free. It's the THG Premium, yeah, the annual loop. Fuel companies pay me for the carbon. Juice almost free, saving dime after dime. But wait, hold up the basic dash. Yeah, she's slow when the intake 3.3 NKAU max speed. That's the only break. Huawei ecosystem got the battery and inverter flow, but I drain the solar battery first. When the sun dips low, need a grid for the charge when the panels don't produce enough. 38% coverage, the pump makes it tough. Warm water pump draining 24/7. That's the true 600, 650 watt draw since I separated the roof. Next step, increase output east and west side. I'm aiming, catch the early sun, catch the late sun. that's the money I'm claiming. Ain't got power